How to find your niche in business and excel in it. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into an exciting and essential topic: how to find your niche in business and excel in it. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a content creator, or a professional aiming for success, understanding and mastering your niche is key. Let's explore the strategies that can help you identify your niche and truly stand out. 1. Understanding the concept of a niche. A niche is a specialized segment within a broader market, a unique area where you can showcase your expertise, passion, and skills. Think of it as your unique territory in the vast landscape of the market. It's where you can thrive and establish your authority. A niche is more than just a category, it's where your expertise shines. When you dominate your niche, you become the go-to person in that area. 2. The importance of finding your niche. A niche allows you to focus and specialize. Instead of spreading yourself thin across a broad market, you concentrate your efforts in one area, becoming an expert. 3. Steps to finding your niche. Start by listing your passions and interests. What are you genuinely passionate about? What could you work on for hours without feeling drained? Your niche should align with your passions because it's something you'll be investing a lot of time and effort into. Step 2. Assess your skills and expertise. What are you good at? What skills have you developed over the years? This could be anything from technical skills to soft skills. Aligning your niche with your skills sets you up for success because you'll be operating in an area where you're naturally proficient. The third step is crucial: researching market demand. You want your niche to be in demand. This means people are actively looking for information, products, or services related to your chosen area. Tools like Google Trends, keyword research, and social media insights can help you gauge the demand for your potential niche. Once you've gathered all this information, you need to carry out the fourth step, and that is to narrow down your options. Choosing a specific niche is important. For instance, if you're interested in fitness, narrow it down to something like high-intensity interval training for busy professionals. Being specific and focused makes it easier for you to dominate that niche and stand out from the competition. The final step is all about creating unique value. What can you bring to your niche that no one else is providing? This could be your perspective, your approach, or a unique angle to the topic. Your audience should have a reason to choose you over others. Adding unique value is your ticket to dominating your niche. 4. Tips for dominating your niche. Now that you've found your niche, let's discuss strategies to dominate it and become the go-to authority. The first tip for dominating your niche is to stay informed and updated. Markets change, trends evolve, and new information emerges. To maintain your authority, you need to stay ahead of the curve. This could mean regularly reading industry publications, following thought leaders, or staying updated with the latest research. The next tip is about building a strong online presence. In today's digital age, your online presence is your business card. Create a professional website, engage on social media, and showcase your expertise through blogs, videos, or podcasts. The more visible and accessible you are, the more credibility you'll gain in your niche. Another tip to dominate your niche is to network and collaborate. Collaborations can expose you to a broader audience and bring fresh perspectives to your niche. Connect with others in your industry, attend conferences, and don't shy away from partnerships. Together, you can create a bigger impact and establish yourselves as authorities in your niche. Our final tip is to continuously improve and innovate. Don't become complacent in your niche. Always look for ways to improve, innovate, and offer something new and valuable to your audience. This could mean enhancing your skills, launching new products or services, or simply finding more effective ways to engage with your audience. And there you have it: how to find your niche and excel in it. Remember, finding your niche is just the beginning. To truly succeed, dedicate yourself, continually learn and improve, and always strive to provide unique value. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more insightful content, and feel free to share your experiences or ask any questions in the comments. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, excel in your niche and thrive. Thanks for watching.